Doctor, nurse here. We have a patient in room 25 who has received painkillers but is not feeling well. We need your assistance immediately, please.
I don't know where my phone is. I guess my mom should be called. Could you do it, please? I'll give you the number.
What's your name?
Alice. My name's Alice.
How old are you, Alice?
I'm 28. I was 28 in January. Oh, I'm sweating all over. Look.
How do you feel?
Oh, my body's itching. I'm itching so much. My body's itching. Why am I sweating so intensively? Why am I sweating so much? Three 337-601. That's my mom's number. I'm feeling better now. Yeah, I'm better. No, I'm not okay. I'm not okay, but yeah, I'm better. Oh, I still feel sick, but I guess the worst is over. Yeah, the worst is over. I'm not okay, but whatever. I'll be alright. I think I'll be alright. Oh, thank you, doctor. Thank you, I'm feeling